The Taylor series for a function f about x equals 1 is given by the sigma notation from n equals 1 to infinity times -1 to n plus 1 times 2 to the n over n times x minus 1 to the n, and converges to f of x for absolute value x minus 1 less than r, where r is the radius of convergence of the Taylor series. A. Find the value of r. B. Find the first three non-zero terms and the general term of the Taylor series for derivative of f about x equals 1. C. The Taylor series for the derivative of f about x equals 1 found in part B is a geometric series. Find the function of derivative of f to find the series converges for absolute value x minus 1 less than r. Use this function to determine f for absolute value x minus 1 less than r. In part A, it is asking you to find the value of r, which is the radius of convergence. To approach this difficult problem, let a of n be the nth term of the Taylor series. You need to set up the ratio. Wherever you see an n, you will need to write plus 1. After you do that, you will need to divide or flip and multiply by the original equation. Once you have everything set up right, you will be able to simplify the problem. Cancel anything out that is the same. Now you will write whatever is left over. You will need to write the limit as n approaches infinity, then the answer you got from the first step above. You will also need to have an absolute value around the whole equation. The n will go away when you plug in infinity. You will then just have to divide by 2. On both sides, you will have the radius of convergence for the value of r. For part B, you will need to write the first three non-zero terms of the function. Once you have the first three non-zero terms, you will need to take the derivative of that to get this. Then you will need to figure out what the general term is, the nu of the function. In part C, you are asked to find the function of f prime to which the series converges. The common ratio of -2 times x minus 1, f prime equals 2 divided by 1 minus the -2 times x minus 1. After simplifying the problem, you will get 2 divided by 2 minus 1. Then you will take the antiderivative of the newest function founded in the previous step. You need to the plus c at the end because you have to find f of x. The initial equation will help find the value for c. Then you will rewrite the equation of f of x with the value of c, but there is no answer to add, no reason to add because c equals 0.